Hey folks, Adam here. Today we're going to show off one of my favorite new pool robots from AirRobo. This thing is absolutely fantastic with big tank-like treads, powerful suction, a fast charge, and a really impressive runtime. Now, some of the things I love about this is that you're able to do a larger pool or a smaller pool, a swim spa, or everything in between, a variety of surfaces, and yeah, that battery charges quickly. And it's from a company that has a great reputation for customer support and practically zero defect rate. Let's go ahead and check it out and kick it off right now. I'm gonna go ahead, drop it in the pool, let it do its work. In the meantime, let us tell you a little bit about the device and give you some of the details. Now folks, let me tell you some of the things I like very much about this pool robot. Of course, it's got those big scrubbers in the front, making sure you're lifting out any algae and debris. Larger items, it's able to get those, that matters. The big tank treads means it's going to go over things, and it's a robust enough device to where it will go over those things like pool drains without getting stuck. A lot of others won't. You see we have the cap to where you can recharge it and you never have to worry about it getting wet. Just lock it down, you're good to go. You've got those sensors. They've got so many built-in sensors to make sure that you're getting a high quality clean every time. And the gallons per hour are insane on this, making it one of the most powerful robot vacuums in all the land. Now, we'll show you in the up-close portion of the video, we'll show you that big dirt bin that allows you to do your entire larger pool. This is a device designed for medium to large pools, in my opinion. You can get those smaller swim spas and things as well. And yes, they've done a great job of having a really impressive tread that grips the floor, grips the walls, and you have so many different options. I really do love the fact that it has those a physical button to switch, a switch between modes that you can see right here, and the light to indicate when it's on. Easy to empty out. Again, zooming out just a little bit, you can get that dirt and debris right out, and we'll show you the before and after. We're going into it with zero dirt, but this is going to clean out the bottom of our pool. And yeah, they've just done a great job with a lithium battery that's, you don't have to worry about it shocking anyone who's in the water. You can be in the water while it works, no problem there. And it's a fast recharge with a long battery life, unlike anything in its class, particularly in that price point that won't break the bank. Now, of course, I love the fact they're using the latest AI to map the bottom of your pool and make sure it doesn't miss any areas. A lot of old, unsmart devices will just bounce around, leaving a lot of missed spots, which never gets it clean. Also, the fact that it's getting the water clean as it goes, it's using those fine, multiple filtration to go ahead and get the water clean, get the walls clean, get rid of algae, and get rid of that sand that's unseen. It's even able to pick up a penny. Yeah, it was able to vacuum up this penny right out of the bottom, which was nice to me as well. And this is guiding all those leaves, all that dirt right in and getting sucked up into that powerful bottom. Definitely a power bottom for sure. So folks, what I also got to tell you, it's by a brand that cares and respects you as a consumer, making sure that you come back to them time and time again. They have a great reputation for everything from vacuum cleaners to pool robots. They've got you covered from top to bottom and stem to stern, and that makes me happy that we've got a company that stands behind their products. Now, the before and after is significant. We're very happy about that as well. And folks, you can see before we started, there was just a lot of gunk floating around on the surface. So the surface is very important to people wanting to get into your pool. Now let's go ahead. We're going to fast forward a little bit, let it do its work, and we're going to take a look at the after. And an impressive and drastic improvement. The after looks so much nicer. All right, folks, now that we've done that, let's go ahead, pull the bin, see how much dirt and debris that has been cleaned up, and we will then show you the up-close portion of the video. All right, friends, now we've gone ahead and pulled the mesh basket out of the device. Now you'll see that it is filled with dirt and debris. And all we have to do is take our garden hose, get all those leaves up, get all that debris out, and that's just from one time of cleaning our pool. A nice thing about that is you never have to worry about purchasing replacement bags or anything like that. You have one quick mesh design that you can clean out easily and efficiently, get all that sand, all that dirt out of there, and it's no longer in your pools. It's not filling up your pool filters, which can be very costly to replace. All right, folks, with that being said, we're very happy with the brand, we're happy with the quality, and it's time to go pick one up. And if you want even more, stick around for the up-close portion of the video for all the product details. All right, friends, now it's time for our up-close portion of the video where you get to see the product and the instructions up close and personal. This gives you an opportunity to see the product right out of the box. Now in the packing list comes the user manual, the hook, the power adapter, and the pool robot. You have the water outlet, the cleaning roll, brush, the charging port, and the status indicator. All very straightforward and easy to use, and that makes us very happy. Now, if you look at it, it has a tremendous tread. That black and blue looks nice. It's kind of a flat black with some piano finish as well. You can see the sensors in the front and those powerful dual scrubbers on the front. They've just done a great job here. Now, daily maintenance is very straightforward on this, and after use, you just clean out the basket, very easy. Now, I love the fact that this has, we're gonna zoom in for you, your off, your auto, your floor, and your walls. So you can just set it to the position that you need, and look at that, light comes up for you, easy peasy lemon squeezy. Now, when it comes to the accessories and accoutrement, yes, it does come, zoom out a little bit, with your charging cable. Very nice, they've done everything you need there. Yes, it does come with that hook to pull it out. And of course, it comes with some extra scrubbers and things to where you can replace that. Now with those big tank-like treads, this thing looks like it is straight out of a military movie. This could be a spy underwater bot because this thing's gonna be able to go over even the toughest surfaces. Underneath, you can see that it is designed for dirt and debris to be channeled into this suction port here. And you've got this scraping the bottom to make sure that everything gets clean and vacuumed up accordingly. A couple little wheels here, and that's a great design. Now this is going to be powerful enough to climb those walls. Not all robots can do that. And of course, you can get the floor or the automatic mode. Now in addition, we've gone ahead, I'm gonna open it up to where you can see the mesh net here. A fine mesh filter that's going to clean out, as you likely saw earlier in the video, just by rinsing it out. And they've done a great job making a performance-based system that has plenty of room for leaves and debris. Okay, that's going to circulate the water through, and it is straightforward and easy to use. So folks, if you're looking for a brand that is straightforward, again, AirRobo has you covered from top to bottom and stem to stern. They've done a great job here making sure you've got an impressive design, making sure you've got something that's going to clean your pool, has all the sensors and everything you need to put it in the pool and let it do its job without you doing any additional work. Folks, we highly recommend you pick this up, and again, that's why we have the up close portion at the end, so you have a moment to put this in your cart. Folks, a beautiful design, great looks, great finish, great tires, great treads, very good scrubbing action that you're going to appreciate at a price point that will not break the bank. Folks, we highly recommend you go check this out, go pick one up. You will not be disappointed. Thank you so much for joining us. This is the bee's knees, it's the cat's pajamas, it's the cat's meow. Go pick one up. You're gonna love it. Adios, amigos. So folks, if you're looking for a great brand, a great product, great quality, durability, reliability, and a price point that certainly won't break the bank, this is the device for you. Don't settle for less, just pay less. Folks, my name is Adam. Upcoming is the up close portion of the video where you can see the product up close and personal. But if your question is, should you pick this up? We're gonna give it a resounding yes. Great quality, great durability, great reliability, impressive battery, AI mapping. It's using that latest technology to go ahead and sense multiple dozens of different types of dirt and debris, pull that in, get rid of it, and it doesn't get stuck. In our testing, we had no problem with that, a fast recharge time, and it works for a variety of sizes of pools. Whether you're working with a swim spa, a big pool, this one is great for you. We highly recommend you go pick it up. You won't be disappointed.